Uregeru wa watho niguo cungiriirie gukorwo na wongerereku wa ciiko cia uthambia wa mbeca gatagati ka atongoria aria maranyotera iturwa itiganite cia kiuteti, mbeca iria maracoka kuhuthira gutabania kambiini cia githurano kinene. Ino ni miario ya Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiang'i uria kwaragia mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru hindi ya kigomano gia keri kigie mogaruruku ruhonge-ini rwa ucirithania o undu umwe na kugacirithia ihoto cia mundu bururi-ini.
We need to relook at the law and see how best we can support IBC and law enforcement agencies to enforce campaign financing regulations, because the amount of money being spent in the campaigns out here is incredible and totally crazy. We are going to have an unprecedented case of voter bribery.
Matiang'i ni ugite thirikari ni kuranite kwina mawatho maregeru makuramata uhuthiri wa mbeca cia kambiini, akiuga nyingi cia mbeca ici irahuthika kugura iturwa cia kiuteti.
Drug dealers, criminals of unprecedented standards, they are all going to be in our elective institutions. And when they arrive there, you know what they are going to do in terms of compromising the integrity of those institutions. We will end up with up to 40% of holders of elective office being very well known and established wash dealers.
Ihinda-inĩ riu Matiang'i ni onanitie kwaga kuiganira kumana na uria macira ma uhuthiri muru wa nenda cia ukinyaniria maratuithanio, akiuga undu uyu niguo uracangira andu aingi kwihingirania na uhuthiri muru wa nenda ici. Mwena-ini wake mucirithania munene Martha Kameme ni ugite ruhonge rwa magoti ni rwihotorete kunyihanyihia muthianiriro wa macira maria mari magoti-ini, guku akiranira kunyitanira makiria na ruhonge rwa njera niguo aria moheirwo mahitia manini marekererio na gutungatira kioho kiao kia nja.
We'll continue decongesting our prisons and embracing what we call green justice or green sentencing, instead of sentencing our people to go to prison to be fed by the government and treated by the government when they are sick. They can take care of themselves and they can green our environment.
Mwena-ini wake mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji ni ugite wabici yake ni gumirwo ni morito matiganite maria ni hamwe na kwaga wira mukinyaniru wa guthitanga ekuirwo.
We have observed instances where the evidence presented to us is limited, has been altered, or has been acquired through improper procedural processes. Additionally, adequate documentation and preservation of evidence has also been seen to be lacking. Any proceedings with such evidence are unconstitutional and undermine our competence as criminal justice actors.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.